Hello, my name's Lizzie from Stafford Motor Match, and today I'll be giving you a 360 exterior and interior tour on this Fiat Qubo 1.3 My Life. All our Motor Match cars come with a 30-day warranty or a 1,000-mile warranty, depending on which comes first. However, we also offer an RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years with most of our cars, as well as flexible finance packages. If you'd like to inquire about this car, you can contact us on 01785 899 474. So to start off, you can see the Fiat badge sat proudly on the bonnet there, standing out with the silver chrome around it. As we take a look at the alloys, you can see that this car has 16-inch alloys in a 5-split spoke design. Moving to the back, you can see that the doors are slidey doors. The interior of this car is black and light grey cloth interior, giving this car a very light feel to it. As we move to the boot, you can see that this is a very spacious boot. It will easily fit in a large suitcase and perhaps a medium one too. As we move to the front of the car, you can see that this car has a multifunctional steering wheel. You can just see your radio there. And yet again, we can see that lovely cloth upholstery, giving this car a nice light feel. With added lumbar support, good for any journey. That's it for our exterior and interior tour. Let's head inside for some of those high-tech features. So to start off with, the front windows in this car are in fact electric. However, the windows in the rear are manual. You also have your wing mirror controls. You also have different settings for your lights, including your fog lights, as well as your hands-free controls and your volume controls on your multifunctional steering wheel. This car has done 45,451 miles. However, this is subject to change due to test drives. You also have your FM/AM radio system with built-in CD player. Taking a look at your climate control now, you have a dial climate control system. You also have a cup holder and a small storage compartment. You also have the Blue Me Connect, which is Fiat's Bluetooth connectivity, as well as a 12-volt socket. Thank you for watching this video. All our Motor Match cars come with a 30-day warranty or a 1,000-mile warranty, depending on which comes first. However, we also offer an RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years, which is available with most of our cars, as well as flexible finance packages specifically suited to you. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee. Included in this is a provenance check. For a personalised quote or to book a test drive, you can contact us on 01785 899 474.